Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another card reading. Today's topic is uh, what's coming up next for your love life for the sign of the Leo. Basically, I'm doing this reading for the specific signs for their love life right now, and so many people around here are asking me for the signs videos, so I just make that. And this is for the Leo people whose signs are Leo can watch this reading, because it's just for the Leo signs, the sun, moon, rising, the Leo. So you want to know about what's coming up next for your love life, so I just tell you here, this is just a general reading or a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, it will resonate with you. Or one more thing, it may or may not resonate with everyone out there, so you have to be open mind and take only what resonates with you, or leave the rest messages for others. And you can ask me for the personal readings as well from my channel, so you can ask me any question about it, your love, your career, your finance, your health, anything it can be, you can ask that. Okay, the contact information is in the description box, you should go and check out there, then you can get the all informations there, so you can easily contact me on this channel. So now let me shuffle the cards. While I'm shuffling the cards, think about your person in your mind, so can I tap into his energies easily. That is good for everyone, and I'll try to include the oracle guidance also for you in this reading. So you should know in the last what you should do with the situation. Let me take some cards first, then I'll take the situation, what's going on here. The Wheel of Fortune, the first card is the Wheel of Fortune. You hit the bonus, the Empress, Ten of Swords, Knight of Cups. Some of you are not in a no contact situation, and now you are worried for the things here. You wants to know your partner will get back to you or not, and he wants to reconcile with you or not, and because of that only you are getting some anxieties and depression also. But for sure he will get commit to you, he will come back to you, he will reconcile with you, because there is a Knight of Cups card. You will get what you are desire for, but still you have to listen to yourself first. You have to listen to your mentors, you whatever. If you are taking the advice from your elders, then it is beneficial for you. If you are taking the advice from your mother, then it's also beneficial for you, because I'm just picking the messages here. Someone is there who are advised you, who is care for you, who take care of you. But yes, the Knight of Cups card is here. If you are single for a very long time, then for sure you will get committed with someone else, because there is a person who is coming in your life right now for providing you the offer, with the love offer, who providing you the commitment, who wants to be with you. There is a love inside him for you, but yes, he will come back. And if you are asking about your ex, then definitely he will come back, or the possibilities is in the coming days are you will getting the love back in your love life if you are single. That's what I'm picking up here. This is what coming up next in your love life. Now in your love life situation, because the Wheel of Fortune card is here, things are going to be changed in your favor. So you have to be open and receptive for that. Stop thinking about negative things, stop thinking about those things which are bothering you right now. Now let me take more cards. Okay, Seven of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Two of Cups, Queen of Swords, one last, Page of Cups. So here is the thing which is I'm picking up here. You are I'm just picking up the energies here. There's a possibilities are there. You are facing some difficult times here. You are having a something in your mind regarding your relationship is is that you want for. If you are in a relationship and you are having a something in your mind which is very much bothering you, because your partner is now become a very workaholic. He's not giving you the proper time, proper care, proper attachment. There's nothing. He is not able to give you that, because now he's completely focus on his work, only on his work, and he's not uh, able to think what he want in his life. So actually now he is not even sure about it, but yes, he do have a love, care, feelings for you. Your relationship is super amazing, and you should have to take out of that single doubt in your head, whatever you are bothering for. And the thing is, you have to take this out from your head, because your relationship is very nice and very good. And Page of Cups card is here. If you are thinking that your partner will not give you the commitment in this relationship, so don't worry, because there will be a commitment. He will surely give you the commitment in the meantime. And this is what coming up in your love life next. The things are going to be easy with you. The things are going to be changed in your favor. The Wheel of Fortune card is here. Two of Cups card is here. You are sharing a very mutual and a good bond with each other. Page of Cups card is here. You are sharing the good bond with him, and you will be in a good bond with him. He sees you as his best friend. He just try to share the things with you, but the thing is, there is a misunderstandings, there is a conflicts, there is a disputes between you people, so you are not able to see that. And there will be a so much confusion is also here because of that work, or because of that work or a workaholic behavior. You are now thinking in a wrong way. So stop doing that, because it's not worthy of a time, or it's not worthy for the healthiest relationship. And if you want to make your relationship super healthy, then you have to sometime avoid the things. Not not all the time, just you have to do it for the sometimes, because the sometimes things are become uh, negative. The sometimes things are become very much disturbed, but you have to think about it. Now let me take out some guidance, what you should do in this meantime that will grow your relationship more. Big happy changes ahead. I'm telling you na, your partner will definitely commit to you. He will commit to you for sure. So you have to get out of it, this toxicity, this toxic situation, because now you are having the thoughts in your mind which is very cloudy, and you are not able to see the things clearly, and you are just taking the things on your heart, only on your heart, without a single doubt. You are just taking the thing seriously in your heart, because you are very sensitive, very emotional, very caring, very loving. It's good for the relationship, but the excess of everything is bad. So you have to think again, because there is a changes coming ahead, there is a big happy changes coming ahead. So you have to be open for it. You have to be calm down and make yourself happy, so that you can only attract these positive changes in your love life, which is very necessary for the any relationship, which is very necessary for any relationship. Okay, now let's see. No need to worry. I told you na, there is nothing need to worry. The guidance is for you is, there is nothing need to worry, because the big happy changes ahead. You will get successful, you will get whatever you desire for, you will get the love life, the happiest love life ever. But firstly, just take out the things from your head, try to be positive, think in a positive manner, think about your love. Whenever you are feel depressed, or you are feel lost somewhere, then just only think about that moment which makes you more than happy ever, whatever the moment is. Just think about it once, you will get back on the track. Think about the love which is come from your person, because it's yours, completely yours. Due to the work only, the situation is he's now become the workaholic, and if you are being negative, you are automatically push him away from you. So just don't do it. Relax yourself. Big happy changes are ahead. No need to worry, the situation will be good in a very meantime. So you have to be think about it, and you have to be calm down yourself. So this is it. This is what I'm picking up for the Leo signs here. This is what coming in your love life. So that's all. Okay, then I'll just see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.